In this video I will show you where you can find your contact form information together. So to see that, you just need to click your website, select site, and then you can see here your website dashboard. I have just clicked my website Wix Web Expert, and I can see this is the Wix dashboard. And to see the contact form information, I just need to go here, customers and leads, and then you can see here forum and submission. And when you will go here forum and submission, then you can see here now Wix newly added the forums tab, and here is the old forum. If your forum made by new editor of the forum, then you can see all of the forum here. Otherwise, if your website is old, then here is the old forum, and you can see all of the forum list. And on my website I have 2 forum, and I have created another 2 forum here. So if I want to see the contact form information who submitted the information on your website, if you want to see them together, then you just need to click here, view submission table. If I will click on it, then I can see here all of the information together who submitted their information through my contact form. Like this is my website Wix Web Expert, and this is my contact form. At the bottom of the part, I can see here I have here the field name, email, subject, WhatsApp number, Skype, or any of the social media information, and here is the details. So I have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 field. So if I will go here, I can see here submission time, this is default, and here is the name, email, subject, WhatsApp number, name, email, subject, WhatsApp number, and then Skype information, and then details. Here is the Skype, Facebook or Instagram link, here is it, and then here is the details. So look like that way you can find the forum and submission. You can see all of the submission information look like that way under customers and lead, and then here you can see forum and submission. Okay, so look like that way you can find it, and you can do those emails marketing as well from here. Okay, thank you so much.